Hello my friends, I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Now we will see this one. It is a ET26L two-section arm excavator from LESU with this dual blade. So it is all painted assembled by LESU, and let's see, I put with the receiver and set up with this EV light radio to control it. So battery already connected, switch on the power. Wait, and DDD already connected to radio. Let's operate. So first switch on the light, also on the side and top on the arm. So let's operate. So for the dual blade, top position, downside, slowly speed up. For the track, left track, right track, backward, spinning, operation the hydraulic. So that's how it's moving with the mix control curve of the valve and the mix control start the pump. So let's see, I switch off all the mix control and running with the pump separately. You will see the difference. So if like this, no control curve, it will be moving more fast and not easy to control. So some big arm you can see it's moving very fast, but front arm and the bucket it's slow, not moving at the same page. Yeah. So we have to set up mix control to control it correctly. Let's see. All the radio settings, first go to function assign. So left track VRD, channel 1, channel 2 right track VRE, flat turning J4, hydraulic pump VRA, channel 4, and the big arm J2, switch on mix control, you will see it's moving. That's big arm, J2. Channel 6, no plug, nothing. Channel 7, bucket, J1. Channel 8, that's the LED lamp, SWH. And channel 9, blade, controlled by VRG. Okay, channel 10, front, small arm, J3. Okay, that's all 10 channel, so no more, only 9 channel because channel 6 not using, so from 1 to 10 using 9 channel. Okay, let's go to see the endpoints. So mostly 100%, what's important is the pump. So now top, channel 4 the pump, 35 the top load, it is pretty much enough. So start the pump, top only 35%. The pressure and oil supply, it is pretty much enough. Let's go to see. So when we set in for the mix control, here we have two mix control. One is mix control, switch mix control with the valve control curve. Another control is switch mix control the pump start. So let's see. First, we have to go to the red and the EXP, red, this one. For setting up mix control, check here. Choose, let's say, also we can setting up the track here. Choose left track, right track, same. So I'm using this easy control curve. So start slowly and then rising more quickly. That's the control curve for driving. Also you can choose same for the spinning. Choose flat turning, channel 3. So same control curve and less speed. It's all controlled by here. So spinning starts slowly and rising more quickly. and the top load reduced, not 100%. Let's check for the mix control of valve. So all same for mix control: blade, big arm, front arm, and the bucket. Let's see the big arm. Choose big arm. So already it's getting flat. Why? Because check here, have a switch controlling it. So you choose big arm, then you reduce by this one, you will see. So make it flat. So always flat, like it's zero wire. After changing, it will be like this. So coming to here, DR, click. DR control for number 1 mix. So it is function, we choose the big arm, and we choose a switch SWC. So always same. SWC, pressing down the curve, we are going to flat, 0. Like this, we also using, for other mix control, also using the SWC. So when here getting flat, we can, another control curve will not neutralize with this straight curve, always 0, yeah? Only function another curve we will set up later. So also same for the bucket, front arm, here is the bucket. You press it down, it will getting flat. Check again, so on and off not the same, yeah, because when I choosing, you have to choose up or down. But what important is always for all these 4 channels, pressing down, flat, this curve going to flat. Now we will go to Pro Mix to set up the control curve. So control curve number 1, mix 1, J2, the big arm, controlling CH5, that's the big arm valve. So always master, it is the stick. Slave is the channel. So go to curve. We see here, we can choose how many points you are going to use. So for better control, 11 points, straight type, always better. So you choose each point going up and down and adjust the percentage of the valve, how much open. So now it was 24. And next you can move the point and move it up and down. What important is the most left one and the one which beginning 18%. When you're controlling, you will slowly you will find 18%, the valve will start moving, the arm will start moving. So the first point, set up 18%. And then you set up the last point, top percentage, how fast you want it moving. If you want more fast, you open more. 30% you can increase. If you want it to move slowly, so more fine control, you reduce the percentage like 25, 28%. It is controlled, secured, decided by how it's moving, how fast you want it. Okay, so also here we are choosing the switch. Click here. So also SWC. And the mix is on when you're pressing it down. Check here, mix off, press down, mix on. So for this, you will be able to choose by this one. So when you're pressing down, it's not on, you can change from here up or down. Click it, it will be changed. So for other setting, all stick control the valve, it is the same. Let's say for the blade, see one more. Okay, that's all the points. So each valve will be different. Even for same machine, a similar machine, also another one, the valve opening will not be same. You have to find the percentage, how much should open for each one. Okay, from mix number 5 to 8, it is another mix for controlling start the pump. Let's say mix number 5, master J2, slave channel 4, the pump, control curve, so it's like a V type, and around the pump when you're moving, the pump will start immediately, quickly, and keep running around 40 to 50%. Actually, it is not 40 or 50, because at the pump channel, we set it up the working load around 35. 35 and multiple 40, 40, 49. So it is around half of 35. So it is around 15 to 20 channel, 15 to 20% of the pump running if only operating one arm, one valve. But if you're operating different moving together, the pump will be running at nearly to top 35% load because the mix control is overlap plus together. Okay, for others, the big arm, front arm, bucket, all starting mix control the pump for same, let's say for the blade. So 11 points, V type, and making the pump running at the high load, at flat. Quick start and stable the pump load. And here, choose the switch and choose the points, how many you set up, 11 for better control. And coming out, let's see, choose the switch, same. We are choosing SWA for controlling mix the pump. SWC for mix control the control curve for valve open. Check it out. Off, all mix control pump off, mix control pump on. So off, no pump start. Mix control on, pump start by mix control. So that's the mix control curve and mix the pump, how it can move. Also, if you think it's too quick for you to operate, you can set up the control curve, open the valve less percentage, so slower, easier control.